At Mach-6, air no longer flows, it attacks. Project Icarus begins with a skin carbon ceramic matrix capable of surviving 3000 degrees Celsius. This isn't just an outer shell, it's a fortress, forged for an environment where ordinary materials would simply vaporize. Inside a sterile, automated facility, massive robotic arms work with inhuman precision, laying down dark matte black sheets onto a needle-shaped wing. Every layer is a testament to engineering at the absolute edge of possibility. Composite alignment, 0.002 microns. Heat shield integrity, nominal. Each panel is infused with radar-absorbent material. It doesn't just hide from the radar, it swallows it, converting electromagnetic energy into harmless heat. We are building a ghost made of titanium and silence. A laser scanner glides across the flawless surface, its green line confirming perfection. There can be no mistakes, no imperfections. At hypersonic speeds, the smallest flaw isn't a problem, it's a catastrophe waiting to happen. This machine is designed to be invisible not only to radar but to the very laws of physics that govern conventional flight. Inside a high-security vault, the heart of Icarus takes shape. A massive titanium engine core rotates slowly, suspended in mid-air as three brilliant blue lasers weld a critical seam. Sparks fly in slow motion, a silent ballet of fire and metal. Conventional turbines with their thousands of spinning blades would tear themselves apart at the speeds Icarus is designed for. They are obsolete. Icarus breathes through a Scramjet, a supersonic combustion ramjet. No moving parts, just raw physics. It's a precisely shaped tube designed to compress incoming supersonic air, inject fuel, and ignite it in a continuous, controlled explosion. Titanium 6 AL4V weld sequence complete. Core pressure test, 45,000 psi. The fuel is cryogenic liquid hydrogen, stored at temperatures hundreds of degrees below zero. It's the most powerful chemical propellant known, but its role is twofold. Before it's ignited, it acts as the aircraft's lifeblood, circulating through a network of microscopic channels within the engine's skin. This process cools the superheated surfaces, preventing the engine from melting itself before the no-gaseous hydrogen is finally detonated. Blue liquid pulses through translucent pipes, frost forming instantly on the silver engine casings. It's a paradox of fire and ice, a violent reaction tamed by brilliant engineering. Now, for the trial by fire. A fully assembled jet is locked down inside a massive concrete wind tunnel, an altar for aerodynamic sacrifice. The air inside begins to shimmer, then to move. Mach 3, Mach 4, Mach 5. The speed climbs relentlessly. A relic of a slower age, the Icarus pilot sees the world through a 360-degree synthetic aperture sensor suite. Millions of data points from cameras, radar, and LiDAR are stitched together by a quantum computer, creating a perfect, unobstructed view of the battlespace. This is augmented reality projected directly onto the pilot's Neuralink visor. He doesn't just fly the aircraft, he becomes one with it. We see a pilot, encased in a white high-pressure suit like an astronaut, being lowered into a cockpit that has no windows, only gleaming black O screens. Neuralink synced pilot vitals, alpha state, oxygen mix, 100% HEOX. Robotic arms move with quiet efficiency, clicking the pilot's life support hoses into place. The cockpit canopy, a single piece of forged carbon, slides shut with a heavy vacuum-sealed thud. The pilot is now isolated from the outside world, connected only by a stream of pure data. In this sealed world, he can perceive threats hundreds of miles away, track targets through solid cloud cover, and fly the aircraft with thought as much as with his hands. Final assembly. The entire jet is now complete, resting in a vast, dark, underground hangar. The atmosphere is one of clinical focus, reminiscent of the legendary Area 51. Workers in sterile white lab coats walk silently beneath the massive, imposing wings. Every bolt, every seam, every sensor must be perfect. At 6,000 feet per second, the slightest imperfection isn't a defect, it's a bomb. A technician moves along the fuselage, using a handheld scanner to check the integrity of the stealth skin, ensuring its radar-absorbent properties are flawless across every square inch. Full system diagnostic, stealth coefficient, 0.0001 RCS. Icarus is flight ready. The final check is a testament to the thousands of hours of design and construction. The measured radar cross-section is smaller than a marble. To any radar system on Earth, Icarus simply does not exist. It is the culmination of a multi-billion-dollar effort to create the ultimate reconnaissance platform, a silent watcher capable of penetrating any airspace anywhere in the world, completely undetected the moment has arrived. The hangar floor splits open with a low groan. The jet is raised on a massive hydraulic lift, ascending from the depths into the cold desert night. The stars above are clear and sharp. Then, the scramjet ignites. There is no thunderous roar, no deep rumble of a conventional jet engine. Instead, it's a high-pitched, terrifying shriek, a sound that seems to tear at the very fabric of the air. It's the sound of physics being broken. Project Icarus does not just cross borders. It ignores them. Invisible, unstoppable, the ultimate evolution of the silent watcher. The jet blurs, a phantom accelerating at an impossible rate, leaving a searing trail of blue fire against the black sky. It disappears into the upper atmosphere, climbing towards the edge of space until it's just a single point of light, a star moving too fast to be real, before vanishing completely. Target altitude reached, 120,000 feet. Mach 6.2 sustained. Entering the silent zone. Welcome to the age of the hypersonic. Welcome to Icarus.